Our first ingredient is PNC 400. This is a pre-neutralized sodium carbomer. This will help thicken the water considerably into a gel. Our next ingredient will be glycerin, and this will act as a humectant. So this is going to help wet some of that sodium carbomer into the water and make that gel. Within the final formulation, this will also help to make the skin feel a little bit wetter. And now a second humectant, Zemea, which is propane diol, will be added. And just like the glycerin, this will help give that final formulation a bit of a wet feel. And since this is a gel to cream, you want that gel to disperse well on the hands and then give a nice wet feeling. Now the final of our three humectants, diglycerine, will be added. Diglycerine is a little bit thicker than regular glycerin, so it's going to make our gel a little bit thicker in the end. And now a small amount of hyaluronic acid will be added to our formulation. This is a very, very strong moisturizing agent, and it should be solubilized very easily since we have those three humectants in there, the Zemea, glycerin, and diglycerin. Now we will add our preservative, Euxyl PE 9010. This will help to ensure that no bugs grow inside of our water phase. Now the first of our two technologies, SalSphere Aqua Skin, will be added. SalSphere Aqua Skin is a combination of encapsulated urea, caffeine, and seaweed. The urea acts as a humectant to help moisturize the skin. The caffeine stimulates aquaporins, which are water channels to the deeper parts of the epidermis. And then seaweed has many polysaccharides, vitamins, and minerals, as well as amino acids and potent antioxidants, which help provide anti-inflammatory properties. Our final ingredient in this gel to cream is our second technology, SalSphere Even Skin. This is encapsulated salicylic acid plus enzymes, which provide a powerful exfoliating effect. This is our gel to cream moisturizer, which contains SalSphere Even Skin and SalSphere Aqua Skin. As you can see, it's a pretty thick gel. This gel could be either packaged in like a squeeze bottle or a canister, much like the one we have here. And only a very small amount is needed, and as it is being rubbed in, you can really feel it start to turn into a cream and help moisturize the skin.